Hi my young Padawans, this is Kunamy Master and we are going to do a simple tutorial on how to create a smart object by using Photoshop. So I'll be assuming that you have some basic skills on Photoshop, and now we are getting started. For this tutorial I will use the example I demonstrated on YouTube banner, and in some other videos I will do the joining up all my logos and created a smart object so I can put it in every image that I want. So first things first, to create a smart object we're going to create a new file, and I will select one of my custom made. It's not relevant how size it was, depending of which smart object you want to do. In my case I will do this size, 720 by 480, and we're going to background transparent. Select OK. Now we have our work area here, and now going to up my logos. I already have my default logos, and for I'm going to select, for tutorial purposes, I'm going to select all of these ones, open it up, and I'm going then marquee tool, same process, Control C, Control V. I'm going to select blogger here, and I will do this in every other logo. I will be right back. And here we are, already pasted all, give my layers the names I want to, and now we are going to arrange it as the way we want it. As for this case YouTube, now Twitter, Tumblr, okay, Google, Facebook, and Blogger too. Now we have a good example. Now I will do only the transformations I want to do for the logos. So I won't do it one by one. I'm going to select all, click Blogger, Shift until the first layer, and then I'm going to merge the layers. And now I have all the logos, bring it up together, and I double click here, and I'm going to give the effects I only want to give to these logos. So in this case I want to give it an inner glow and an outer glow, so it can give a button-like feeling. I will not do the drop shadow, and then you will see why. And I could do the bevel and emboss effect, so you can give it a 3-dimension aspect to it, and I can do some contour. You can give it some texture too. I will give it this way for now, and you can tweak it up, see what kind of effects you want to do only for the buttons. So in this case I will click it OK, and now we want to add up something more, like a description, as I usually do. It's follow me Jesus, links, Jesus Christ, links in description, like this. Now, oh my god, sorry about that, layer 1 delete. I want to resize it as usual. Select here, click Shift, Jesus, maintain Shift pressed. I'm going to resize it to be right about here. Okay, accept changes, and now I'm going to give the effects. In the latter case I will do always a stroke one, so it can pop up the letters, and I'm not going to do a shadow. I only do the stroke here, and you can, if you want, to give a similar effect here to the bevel and emboss, and give the same texture if you want to the buttons. I will do only the bevel and emboss in this case, and I will click OK. Now we are going to merge again these two layers, and we are going to do then the smart object option, convert to a smart object. Okay, now it's converted. Now we want to save it so we can open every time we want to put this smart object on the image or anywhere we want. So we're going to save it as a PNG, and I'm going to already add some here, so you can give it the name you want, save it. I will use compression, non-compression, and we got it. Now let's see the practical effect on this one. So I'm going to open a random image. I will do the YouTube back here, and nope. And for now I'm going to demonstrate. Now we're going to open our smart object where we save it, and we're going to do the marquee tool, select all the area if you want, Control C and then Control V. Now as you can see it, there it is, a smart object. Everything is put up together, and we can then resize it if you want. You can put it wherever you want, and now you can put on the shadow, because in some images like this one you have a different kind of type illumination, and now you can apply the shadow in all of this smart object. So drop shadow, we want to do an angle right about the same as the lighting affects the object, and we can then about 20, as you can see. I will do it more so you can see the practical effect of the shadow itself. You can always change the opacity, and we can always change depending of what image you want, and the lighting affects the image. I will do right about here, and as you can see, the shadow is created for the smart object itself. If you want, you can apply other effects. You can do an inner shadow, but it doesn't matter because we already did the effects that we want for privacy on these logos. So guys, basically this is it, how to create a smart object, and you can use it in multiple images. In this case I use the logos. You can use any kind of image that you want. You can do some logos or even other images. If you want to make a montage of it, you can always merge the layers so it can be one unified object. It's much simpler than to create over and over again the same effects to the objects. And I'll hope this helped you a lot. I did this for the banner tutorial purposes, and if you like it, don't forget to click on the thumbs up. Give me some feedback on how you like it or not this video. If you have some more ideas for tutorials, leave in the description, and if you didn't already, click on the subscribe button to keep it up with all my tutorials and gaming series, and I will see you in the next video. So until then, Kunamy Master out.